Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your store name in Printify application. First of all, before getting started, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open the Printify application. Make sure you're signed into your Printify account, and once in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon or the account button. After you're inside this Accounts tab, click on Open Printify Web. This will take you to printify.com on your device, from where you'll need to go ahead and click on My Store at the top right corner. Now you'll be able to open up your Printify store. From the home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Now click on Store Settings. On the next page, scroll down to type in your store name, erase the current name, and write down your new one. After typing down your store name, scroll all the way down and click on Save. Once you do that, you will be able to change your store name right away. So that is how it's super easily done. You can edit your store name anytime you want. Make sure your name is unique, professional, and reflects your brand. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.